Thank you for watching our instruction video on Loos's Locoloc #1 Bsc 5-cavity bench-mounted hand swaging tool. Each tool is individually boxed in a shipping container. We include a package of grease to maintain your tool and also a handy go gauge which you can use to measure the after swage diameter of each sleeve after it's compressed. The tool comes packaged with a complete instruction guide on how to properly use the tool, a chart showing the number of compressions for each sleeve size, and a diagram on the back which shows replacement parts which are available for your tool. Again, this is a bench-mounted tool, so you will be mounting the tool onto your workbench. Each tool is fully adjustable and comes with a hazardous warning guide on areas where the tool should not be used. Notice the snap over center action of the tool when it's closed. This ensures that the tool is completely closed and the swage is complete before you proceed to the next compression. When cutting cable, we recommend that you use the Felco Swiss-made cable cutter. These are the finest cable cutters made in the world, and the blades are extremely sharp. They're replaceable. But most importantly, you'll notice that after the cable is cut, you have a nice clean cut on the end of your cable. There's no frayed edges or any strands which are getting in the way of inserting the cable into the copper sleeve that you're going to be compressing. The cable slides easily into the duplex oval sleeve. We're going to make a loop connection for swaging the sleeve, and you'll notice that there's a small tail of cable sticking out the end of the copper sleeve. That needs to be a minimum of 1 cable diameter of the size cable you're using, and this ensures that all portions of the cable are compressed in the sleeve. It's a 3/16 inch wire rope swaging in the rear cavity of the tool. And you'll notice that if you rotate the sleeve 180 degrees each time between each compression, you'll have a sleeve that's very straight with no curves or bends into the compressions of the sleeves. This is what's known as the banana effect. Continuing on with the finishing of the compressions on the 3/16 inch copper oval sleeve, you'll see that the sleeve is compressed a total of 4 times. Very easily done with this bench-mounted swaging tool with very little effort. And this is what the 4 compressions should look like after you're done using the tool. And you'll want to measure the after swage diameter of each of the compressions to make sure that it freely slides in and out of the go gauge in the 3/16 inch slot. You've got a properly swaged sleeve that will exceed the breaking strength of the cable. In fact, the cable will break before that connection will fail. For different size sleeves that you'll be swaging, you can easily refer to the chart on the back of the instruction sheet showing the proper number of compressions for each size sleeve that you'll be using. And lastly, all Locoloc tools from Loos & Company are fully adjustable so that you can maintain the correct after swage diameter.